Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start our chapter 8 of maths, class ninth, and the chapter is quadrilaterals. As you all know that quadrilateral is a four-sided closed figure, or we can say a polygon with four sides is called a quadrilateral. And there are different types of quadrilaterals. The first one is parallelogram. Second, rectangle. Third is rhombus. Number 4 is square. And number 5 is trapezium. And number 6 is kite. You have already listened these names in your previous classes. And a quadrilateral is different from each other due to the properties of its sides, angles and diagonals. But a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles and two diagonals. For example, in this figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Its sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. And angles are, we can name these angles with single letter only, or we can say angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD and CDA. And its two diagonals are diagonal AC and diagonal BD. If we join these two opposite vertices, we get two diagonals. So diagonal is a line segment which joins the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral. In this figure, AB and CD are opposite sides, BC and AD are also opposite sides, but AB and BC are adjacent sides. Similarly, BC and CD adjacent हैं and CD and AD are adjacent sides. AD and AB are adjacent sides. And angle A is opposite to angle C, angle B is opposite to angle D. But angle A, angle B, angle B, angle C, angle C and angle D, and angle D and A are pairs of adjacent angles. Here we will study about the properties of the different type of quadrilaterals. Before that, we must know that sum of all four interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degree. Here we are going to study the properties of different quadrilaterals. First of all, we are taking trapezium. And trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel to one another. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral and this AB is parallel to CD because one pair of opposite side is parallel and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. So trapezium is that figure or is that quadrilateral in which a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. In figure, AB is parallel to CD and BC and AD are non-parallel sides. Because another pair of opposite side is BC and AD, but these are not parallel, only one pair of opposite side is parallel, so the given quadrilateral is called a trapezium. Here the sum of angle A plus angle D is 180. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD and AD is transversal, so angle A plus angle D will be 180 degree because these are co-interior angles, or you can say angle A and angle D. Similarly, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. But angle A plus angle B will not be of 180 because AD is not parallel to BC and diagonals of trapezium are not equal. Diagonal AC and BD are not equal in length. But if non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal in length, means that is AD is equal to BC ho, then angle A is equal to angle B hoga and angle C is equal to angle D. These are called base angles of isosceles trapezium and such trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. And in that trapezium, diagonal AC will be equal to diagonal BD. Length of diagonal will be equal in that case where the opposite sides are equal in length. Next quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Again, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are equal in length. Equal in length or parallel to one another. Means AB, suppose this is a parallelogram ABCD, meaning AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. या तो ये चीज गिवन हो और AB is equal to CD है and BC is equal to AD है, then given quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. This gives ABCD is a parallelogram. Again remind, if one pair of opposite side is parallel, then that is a trapezium. If both the pair of opposite sides are parallel, then the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now properties of quadrilateral. Whenever students you are going to write the properties of a quadrilateral, always remember you have to describe the three letters, or you can say you have to tell about its sides, angles and diagonals. So what can we say about the sides of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. And what can we say about the angles? Opposite angles are equal. Equal and adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degree. And what can we say about the diagonals of a parallelogram? We can say that diagonals of a parallelogram are not equal in length. दोनों diagonals equal नहीं होंगे, but they bisect each other. Bisect each other means if I draw the diagonals of this parallelogram AC and BD. So you can see that both of the diagonals are intersecting at the point O. Here we can say that BO will be equal to OD and AO will be equal to OC. So this is called the diagonal bisect each other.